This video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with this bike bleed kit. So this is for basically hydraulic brakes that are on a mountain bike or road bikes or anything like this. And I got this bleed kit. I don't need to bleed mine right now, but I just want to show y'all and go over what you get with one of these kits because it's so affordable. I couldn't pass it up. So first off, it comes in a really nice plastic box here that's very nice and sealed. I'd keep this put up with all my other like bike tools, so it's very easy to use. Comes with these little like flip open hooks right there, and it's packaged in here very nicely. You can see what this is. This right here is the actual plunger that goes with the bike. Well, I'll show you the plunger. I'll take each one of these out and show you exactly how they work. So that's going to go onto the bike, and it's a plunger kit where you just basically push the fluid out. And what goes in these bikes is mineral oil. It comes with 12 unique fittings that will fit anything from like the Juicy brand, the TEKTRO, to the SRAM. There's a wide variety of brakes, and everything that you can think of is in this package right here. And another like syringe right here for punching out the fluid, and there's you a tube for hooking onto it. You actually get several of these tubes and some rubber gloves. You know, we always like our rubber gloves. And pretty much any basic tool for using on a bleed kit. You get the funnel. This funnel is going to go on top of the brakes. That's where you're going to put the fluid. And these things right here, this kit right here is for, you know, the 2-piston, 1-piston, or 4-piston. You can pinch off your hose right there. And this is for to close off any of your pistons. A couple of rubber bands for it. And this little plunger thing right here, and here's the inside of here is a actual diagram of how to bleed brakes. So if you ever want to know how to bleed the brakes, it breaks down everything you need, and it looks like it's in Chinese and English. So the front's in Chinese there, and then you go to right there, and that's where the English starts. So that's all the English right here, and anything that needs to be done on it you can pretty much find in this little manual here. Very well broke down on the manual on how to do it. They actually did a really good job with like hand signals and everything on this. How cool is this? They give you a little set of stickers that you can put on it, so you can put these on your helmet or on your bike or something. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the complete kit. See you guys in the next video. Woo!